Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a NordVPN promo code that unlocks some extra discovery savings, I've got you covered. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and discounts for 2025 so you can grab your subscription at the lowest price possible. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the best deal. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPNs in the world. With thousands of servers, lightning-fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're traveling, streaming, gaming, or just securing your data on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN is a smart investment. Here are the extra discovery promo codes you can try in 2025. Discover 83, save up to 83% off long-term plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. Save 20, flat 20% off for new users this year. Save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these promo codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the biggest discount, try another. So one of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. These extra discovery savings on NordVPN won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.